Hi, my name is Madhur. I'm from Marshmallow and we make everything sweet here at our boutique bakery. So we make cakes, cupcakes, cheesecakes, pavlovas, a lot of sweet stuff, and we deliver all across New Delhi NCR. So in today's video, I wanted to cover something which was really essential if you are starting to bake and you want to buy your supplies. So if you're a new baker, this video is just for you and I hope it helps you. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about, baking tins, baking pans, what to buy and what not to buy. So stay tuned. Alright, so when I started baking, I went out on a shopping spree. I think everybody does that, and I hoarded on a lot of things. But eventually, I realized that okay, these are the pans that I use, and this is what I never use. Trust me, there are pans which I never use. So I'm going to be starting with the favorite ones. So yeah, here we go. I have a 5-inch pan, okay. I have a 6-inch and I have a 7-inch. So I'm going to be starting with the round cakes. All right, so these are the sizes that I use. So 5-inch is for my mini cake, so anything which is 500 grams or below a kg would ideally be baked on these pans. So I also wanted to cover some tips. So here's tip number 1. So whenever you are buying a pan, always buy them in pairs. All right, so you might think that every 5-inch is the same size, but trust me, I've realized they are not. So if you're buying a round pan, always buy them in pairs. All right, and tip number 2 is that they should be straight like this. I have come across pans which are a little like this, and they're really difficult to work with. So with these kind of pans, they're pretty they're easily available everywhere. But in case you want to know, just DM me or just contact me. I'll leave down my contact details. So yeah, so these are the pans that you should be looking at. They are straight. All right, so these are my 5-inch pans, and yeah, they are aluminum. All right, so again, tip number 3 would be, a lot of times we end up buying these fancy, colored pans or black pans or, pink or green or, stuff like that. Don't do that. Just stick with the aluminum ones. They are sturdy, they last you long, and they're very good for baking. All right. So yeah, there you go. Similarly, I have again a pair of 6 inches. I use the 6 inches for cakes that are 1 kg or plus. A lot of times they are helpful when you want to make a taller cake. So with obviously a more weight. So in case you want to achieve a taller cake which is more than 1 kg, then I think 6-inch is helpful. So yeah, I use my 6 inches for 2 reasons. Firstly, for my 1 kg cakes, and secondly, if I want to make give it some height, so yeah, 6 inches perfect for like a 1.5 kg tall cake as well. Now the third one is debatable, but I have ended up using a 7-inch for my 1.5 kg cake. So this is again, I have pairs. So this one is 7-inch, but 7 or 8 is a good bet, but I think 7 is more manageable. But yeah, you can either get a 7, you can either get a 8. I have both, again, as I said, but I hardly use the 8-inch one. All right, so these were my round tins. Okay, now if you are making breads or you are making tea cakes, then I think again this kind of a tin is really essential. I really do not know the size, I'll let you know. But I have got a pair of 4 again. So I would recommend that you always, I'm not recommending that you buy 4, but I would definitely recommend that you buy 2, because what happens is that especially when you're making a tea cake, you would want to make 2 of a different kind. So yeah, 1 won't suffice, and you want the same size. So for that matter, again, buy them in pairs, because the size differs. All right, now this is one of my favorite pan once again. So I use them for brownies, I use them to set my chocolate fudges. So this is 10 by 10 square, and as I was saying that buy them in pairs, I made the mistake of just buying a single one, and trust me, I've not been able to find a replacement for this. So yeah, grab on. So they're perfect for your brownies, they're perfect for your tea cakes again. So if I have to give like a square tea cake, like a 1 kg tea cake, you can't always give them round, right? So yeah, this is pretty handy. Okay, now for brownies, again, I have these trays. So these are again multi-purpose. Again, no need to buy them in pairs. You can buy them as and when. So you can start probably with a smaller one. So this is 9 by 13 inches. Now, why it is essential? Because in this you can practically make anything. So if you are making cookies, cookies, then brownies, again, if you want to make like a bigger batch of brownies, then this is it. And you can also use them for breads, so many things. I do a lot of things with these. All right, so yeah, I have 2 of these. I have the bigger one. I have 2 to 3 each of these, because they're easy for cookies. And again, if you've seen my arsenal of all the baking tins, they're all aluminium. Aluminium is very good with the heat. I do not like the colored one or the black pans. They tend to burn. They overheat at times. So these are perfect. All right, now for cupcakes, I have these, and as I said, the colored ones I just couldn't. I really like the lime green. So yeah, this is one of them. So I only make cupcakes in this, and because I only make cupcakes, this is safe because it goes with like a cupcake holder, so that is fine. So you can buy a colored one. So yeah, so that's all of my favorite baking pans that I wanted to share with every one of you. So to do a quick recap, I use a 5-inch, 6-inch and a 7-inch pan. Now if you're a new baker, I would suggest that you can start with a 5-inch or a 6-inch. In market you might get 4 inches also, but it's too small. I have 4 of them and I hardly use it, trust me. So yeah, start with a 5-inch pair and a 6-inch pair, and then you can invest in these, because again these are multi-purpose. You can use them for anything. So yeah, if you have these 3 and probably 2 of these, I think you are good to go. All right, so that's about it. Let me know if you need anything else. I am reachable on my Instagram page, which is by the name of Marshmallow. So you can always DM me, you can always drop in a message, and I would love to know, I mean, if this was helpful. If you like it, go ahead, press the like button. If you want to share it, please do. And yeah, that's about it. Bye bye.